how to change Amazon Prime country. So if you want to change your Amazon Prime country, then today I'm going to show how you can change that. First of all, you need to make sure to log in with your correct credentials. So open up your browser and then search for Amazon Prime and then go with the official website. Go with sign in, which will be in the top right, and then sign into your account. After that, go with the top right and you need to select account and settings. Once you did that, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with edit on Amazon, which will be on the right side, and it will ask you to sign into your Amazon. So you just need to simply go and sign in. Now once you've signed into your Amazon, you need to just simply go with the top right corner and click on your account. And from the account, as you can see that you will have your addresses. Here you need to just simply click on your address, which you've particularly added. So in my case, I don't have any address right here. So if you've added your address, you need to just simply click on the address or edit the address. And then you will have the option to change your country and region. You need to go with the drop down and select any other country or whichever region you want. And make sure to fill the other fields with your correct information. After that, select add or modify address. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.